It is almost 6 o'clock. Just woke up from a nap, a few hours. Still a little tired. I was going on adrenaline from yesterday and last night, being awake for 29 hours. And then waking up early this morning and exploring the city, and it was damn hot. Yeah, my hotel is just that one over there. But I'm staying about 10 minutes or so north of the Vatican. It's an exciting city, I have to say. I thought Berlin was exciting. No, this is exciting. And I thought Berlin was dirty. No, this place is damn dirty. One of the things that I find challenging here, I normally wake up at 5:30 in the morning, on the road at 6. Here, nobody wants to wake up early, nobody's on time, but I guess that's part of the culture. It seems like after 5 o'clock, everybody starts waking up and starts doing stuff. 6 o'clock is way too early for everybody. 6 o'clock in the morning, I should say. Cool little place. See what else I could find.